In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a menu for your Foundation for Email eBlast. So you can create a menu that works just like a website menu bar within your eBlast and add links and navigation to it as well. So within, I'm going to jump back into the Foundation for Email's website. And I'm going to navigate over to where it says menu here in the components classes, and you can see that here is a basic menu. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this except for like the body tags. I don't need the HTML and the body tags since I've already got mine started. And I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to head over to my code. I already have some basic code put together here, so I'm going to create a new table row for that to sit into before I start pasting it in, just so it doesn't affect some of the other table rows below it. So I'm going to open up right after my container before the starting table row for this row. I'm going to put mine in ahead of it. So I'm going to create a table row. That up. I'm going to create my table data tag. Open that up, and then I'm going to work inside of it. I'm going to go ahead and paste in that menu, and I'm going to change the link. I'm just going to make mine say, instead of zerb.com, I'm going to make mine say home, about, and then contact, just so those HTML agree. I'll make that say home instead of item, about, and contact. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And now you can see there's my basic menu bar with working links. So if you had a website that you were linking back to, you could make that link to your pages. If you were sending out like an eBlast and you wanted somebody to check out any of your different areas of your website, direct links, that would work as well. So that can kind of mirror your actual website as well when you put in those menu items. If you would like to make your menu vertical, where I have my table with a class of menu, I can simply add menu vertical. Save that, and that's going to go ahead and make this a vertical menu instead of going horizontal. So that's another look you could have as if you're having different menus. You can also have your menu adjust at different breakpoints, where it's horizontal at the large one and vertical at the smaller one. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more to this class, and that would be small, and then a little hyphen, vertical. So then that says at the small size, so at the large size here it is horizontal, and then if I adjust this size-wise, there it will go to vertical. So that kind of makes a nice mobily responsive menu for your eBlast. So now that I have my menu on my eBlast, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of styling to this just to get away from this default styling that I currently have. So because I think it looks a little funny to have all this space to the left, I'm going to go ahead and align this to the center, so I can just navigate up to my class here, and I'm just going to give it an alignment, align, center. Save that. And now that's aligning center. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of padding. So again, I could put a style tag in here and add some padding, or I can go over to my Foundations for CSS. I'm going to do a search of menu, which I've already done here, and I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of, let's do margin of 25 pixels, just to add a little bit of space around it, just to spread it out a little bit. And there's my menu. That looks a lot nicer. I can also change that color again. If I'm not a big fan of that default blue, I can go ahead and change it to, I'm going to make mine a nice gray. You can make it any color you would like, but I'm going to make that nice gray instead of blue. There we go. Change that. And that looks nice there too. So you can add some styling to it. Don't be afraid to make this yours and get away from the default menu option. Edit in the CSS, edit in here as well to make the menu to your site or to your eBlast the way you would like. So the options are pretty much limitless, so make sure that you get away from the default styling as you build this. So thank you for watching on how to add a menu to your Foundation for Emails eBlast design. I will see you on the next one.